Once again, limits and continuity, mathematics 1b, part 9. Already last class explained infinite limits problems, infinite limits model problems. Last class completed. Today discuss some problems in infinite limits. What is that? First problem is limit extends to infinity square root of x square plus x minus x. Here first of all, this numerator denominator is 1, rationalized numerator. What is the rationalized numerator? What is the numerator here? Numerator is limit extends to infinity. Numerator is square root of x square plus x minus x all by 1 into, here numerator is what? Square root of x square plus x minus x. This can be rationalized. You get square root of x square plus x all by square root of x square plus x plus x. After that you can write limit extends to infinity square root of x square plus x minus x into square root of x square plus x all by 1 into square root of x square plus x. Here observe the students, numerator observe that here square root of x square plus x there, here also be square root of x square plus x is there, here x is there, here also be x is there. Here suppose this one is a, this is also be a, this one is b, this is also b. Here in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? Formula is what? A square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Write down that formula. You get what? Limit extends to infinity. Here a value is square root of x square plus x whole square minus b square, nothing but x square all by square root of x square plus x. Here square root get cancelled. You get what? Limit extends to infinity x square plus x minus x square all by square root of x square plus x. Here minus x square plus x square get cancelled. You get what? Limit extends to infinity x by square root of x square plus x square plus x. After that 1 by y. Already explained in this infinite limit, put x is equal to 1 by y. If x tends to infinity, then y tends to 0. This is the concept, this is the condition of the infinite limits converted to finite limits. After that, limit x tends to infinity, nothing but y tends to 0. X value how much here? 1 by y all by square root of x value 1 by y whole square plus here also be x value 1 by y plus here also be x value 1 by y. After that you can write limit y tends to 0 1 by y all by square root of 1 by y whole square, nothing but 1 square value 1, y square value y square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by y plus 1 by y. Here observe the students, square root belongs to only 1 by y square plus 1 by y term only. After that limit y tends to 0 1 by y by square root of, take LCM in the square roots. y square LCM is y square. After that you can write 1 plus y into y square, you can write 1 into y plus 1 by y. Limit y tends to 0, 1 by y square root of 1 plus y all by square root of y square plus 1 by y. Square root get cancelled. Here limit y tends to 0, 1 by y square root of 1 plus y 1 by y. Here all by square root of 1 plus y square root of 1 plus y. Here square root get cancelled. You get y plus 1 by y. After that, observe the student denominator. In this denominator, LCM y comma y LCM is y. After that, you can take LCM. Limit y tends to 0, 1 by y 1 by y. Take LCM. Y is the LCM. Square root of 1 plus y plus y. 1 plus y plus y. Here LCM is same. After that, denominator, numerator, fraction form is there. Denominator also be fraction form is there. In this numerator, denominator is y. In this denominator is y. Both are cancelled. After that, limit y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0. 1 by square root of 1 plus y plus y. Here we can apply limit here. What is the limit here? Limit is y tends to 0. What is the meaning of y tends to 0? Y tends to 0 nothing but y approaches to 0. Y approaches to 0 nothing but you can write in place of y 0. Here 1 by square root of 1 plus in place of y you can write 0 plus in place of y you can write 0. Here 1 by square root of 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 how much? 1 plus 0. 1 by square root of 1. Square root of 1 value is 1 plus 0. 1 by 1 plus 0 value is 1. You get 1 by 1 also be equal to 1. This is the limit of given limit value equal to 1. Next, assignment problems or homework problems of the similar model. This one is a problem. Limit x tends to infinity, square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x. This problem also be do that similar model of previous problem. First of all, this is numerator, this denominator is 1. In this numerator, rationalize. What is the numerator here? Here numerator is square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x is the numerator. All by 1. Rationalize this numerator. Square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x by square root of x plus 1 square plus square root of x. Here minus is there. Rationalize this numerator, you get positive. After that, here square root of x plus 1 is there. Here also be square root of x plus 1 is there. Here root x is there. Here also be root x is there. Suppose this one is a, this is also b a. This one is b, this is also b. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. We can write a square minus b square formula. After that, simplify previous problem model. This is the assignment problem or homework problem. Okay. Next one is limit x tends to minus infinity. 2x plus 3 by square root of x square plus 1. Here, this is a direct problem. In this problem, you can write if x is equal to 1 by 1. If x is equal to 1 by 1. Here, if x tends to minus infinity, then y tends to 0. This is a condition. In this condition, these two conditions are substituted in this limit. Here, x is equal to 1 by y. Nothing but y is equal to what here? 1 by x. Here x tends to minus infinity, 1 by minus infinity, 1 by infinity or minus 1 by infinity, nothing but something by infinity value equal to 0. Here minus 1 by infinity,
1 by field nothing but minus 0. Minus 0 also be equal to 0. This is the y value, y tends to 0. Here in place of you can write x tends to minus infinity, you can write y tends to 0. And in place of x we can write 1 by y. After that simplify our previous order problems. Similarly, this is also be similar problem. Put x is equal to 1 by y. Next, if x tends to infinity, then y tends to 0. This is also the same way. In this way, you can write in place of x 1 by y. In place of x tends to infinity, you can write y tends to 0. After that, simplify similar way. This is a homework or assignment problem of similar model problem.